What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another vlog here, and it's pinning it down. Yeah.
It is.
And he's got a bow, and he's probably gonna shoot me with it. Yeah.
I'm not probably gonna shoot you. I'm gonna shoot you.
Shit! Fuck off! Fuck off! Fuck off! Fuck off!
Oh, guys, guess what I've got? Not only a banana, but look at this phone case.
It charges his phone. I'm so
press
jealous. It's not clipped in.
It
It's
is.
not clipped in.
It's still charged anyway. Look. See that? There's 3 lights. And see that on top?
It needs charging.
It's charging. It's on 41%. I'm above. So.
I'm playing Pokemon Go hack. Yeah. This is George. Yeah,
Yes.
put a link in his description. We're very bored. We're waiting for his monkey knuckles to come. Fuck off, fuck off.
Do you reckon I could shoot? Do you reckon I could shoot him?
Shoot him.
Shall I shoot him?
No, don't, guys.
Shall I shoot him?
Fletchlings, don't say yes, because it hurts very much. And he did it yesterday, and I cried.
All Fletcher subscribe to me, or else I'll shoot you. Jack, wait.
Shoot my leg! Shoot my leg! Shoot my leg! Shoot my leg!
If accidentally comes off, I literally dead on. I'm not.
You're not having this back now.
Oh no. Look at this, guys. Yeah, stop now.
Yeah, that's really gay. Right, so, we're gonna have to go round to Georgie's house trying to get his stuff.
And we're gonna have to go to the shop if we want something to.
I'm not going up to the shop at that. Forget that.
In it, man. Let's check home, guys. Jack will roll the camera stuff. Let's go.
Guys, I'll see you in a second.
I coat or something.
This is the freaking rain. I am not going out in that. Yeah.
You got a spare coat or something?
No.
What about this?
Forget going out in that. I'm wearing jeans. No. Fuck off. Don't put that on.
No, I'm not putting it on. I'm putting it over my head like this.
Yeah, don't. It's the same thing as putting it on.
No, it's not.
It is. You're staying here for. Just run it. Leg it.
You come with me.
No, I'm not coming.
You'll come with me.
No, I'm not.
Yeah.
Forget that now. I'm waiting until it stops. I'm waiting until it stops.
Wait, stop down a bit. No, it's not.
Oh my god. I'm gonna do it for the truth. I'm gonna do it for you guys. I'm a trooper. Oh no, I'm not. It's just sack it. I'm doing it. Close the front door of like water going. Right, so guys, I just tried going out, but it didn't work. So I just run back, and that's just retarded. That's just absolutely retarded. You get soaked in like 3 seconds.
Oh my god, it's just stopped, Susie.
No, it won't.
Look at it. It's time to start again, but it stopped now.
Right, so guys, I'm gonna end this video here. I just wanted to show you